Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to pay for your order or how to pay for an item or Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app using your WeChat Pay to make payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's get started. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here, and then asked me to place order for this particular product. And I'm going to use this as an example and show you on how we can pay for this particular goods with WeChat on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and click on the product link right here to open up the product link on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Just like so. Having opened up the product link, you can see the product detail right here. You can simply scroll down and check product graphics and product detail. Just like so. Once you are able to satisfy with the product detail, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and see how we will make payment with our WeChat wallet. So for that, we want to make sure we go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. From this point here, we want to make sure we choose the quantity and the sample that we want from this particular store right here. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, JD.com, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. So from here, I need this particular one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. Having selected the sample I want, I'm going to scroll down right here and make sure I choose just one piece of it. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Just like so. So at this point here, I need to switch to my WeChat option right here. Having selected WeChat Pay, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payment. Allow WeChat Pay to connect. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on Pay. Then enter my payment password. Just like so. Payment done, successful. You can see a debit alert for paid on my WeChat wallet. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on back to vendor right here. Just like so, payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to go back to my profile. Then go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go to my dashboard. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. You have it right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo right here and then come back to my WhatsApp and send the proof of payment to the owner of the goods. Click on my attach, your gallery, and select proof of payment and say payment done and send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier of Pinduoduo 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.